like him on earth. One who is blameless, who is upright, who fears God, who hates evil, to be.
Cake baker. Yes. Order for your own. Where do you know? Let me ceremony.
It's raining cake. Yes, we can. It's raining cake. So this is the excess we have. So that's our celebrant cake. Say yo, mommy, mom. Andrew. Of course. What am I gonna set up now? Kai, the room. Set up now. Ooh, a lot is going on. Our birthday cake. Yo, video the panna cake. Many people when you're just an cake. Nama, take this one. Go and keep him for the salad. Now we can pick the cake. You woo, clap now. Let's clap. Thank you. I think that's fine. Hi. So, hello. Hey, it's been a minute, long time. Welcome to the start of this new vlog. The last vlog you saw was me passing out, and that was June 22nd or 21st ish. I think 22nd. Today is July 29th. So I've not been vlogging actually because there's been no content. But the quick life updates, I intentionally chose not to vlog because number one is there's really nothing much I felt like there was to vlog aside. I've just been living. So actually I just came back here yesterday to my place, to this place. I have been at family's place, family's place for the past 2 weeks. So early June, my mom came for about a week or so. Then she left. The day after she left, I went to family's place and I've been there for about a week plus. I left 2 Sundays ago. And today's Saturday. So if I'd stayed till tomorrow, it would have been 2 weeks. But I came back yesterday, Friday. And I'm heading out now. It's currently 9:54. And I'm going for my sister's children's graduation. They're graduating from... One is graduating from pre-primary to primary. The other, I think, from primary 3 to primary 4. So I'm just going for that. So I just felt like starting a new vlog here. Hopefully we have 1 or 2, but that's the life update. While I was also at family's place, the popsy there had his birthday and it was fun. To be honest, I just went there to get some love. As I would always say, like if anybody asks me whenever I'm there, I'm like, I go there to get some love. So that's the update. That's the life update with me. So the July, I won't really say it was a blur, but that's just it. I've just been not really to myself. I've been having family around, went to family's place, and that's basically it. And also our light is having issues. I think the transformer, I asked my neighbor, like we greeted this morning, and I'm like, still no light because there's been no light for quite a minute now. And she was like, the transformer is having issue. So God's willing, hopefully, and God's willing, they fix that or bring a new transformer or whatever it is. But there has been no light, and I'm hoping that I'm not back to stay inside of no light here. So that's basically the update for now. Yeah, let's go celebrate with my sister. I'm adding